Hey guys, good news that now we have a new version of Shadcn and they are introducing Luma, which is a new Shadcn UI style, rounded geometry, soft elevations, breathable layouts inspired by macOS Tahoe, minus the glass. So still foundation for your next app. Let's just quickly watch this video and then we'll head directly to creating a new project and let's see how it goes. So rounded buttons just like macOS Tahoe, tabs, sidebars. Okay, this is looking a lot like macOS. And let's just quickly head to get it here, and this will start a new project. Okay, so I have already created a video which was an introduction to Shadcn yesterday, which I was going to upload, and now the second video was to create a new project. But it's a good thing that I can show you a new project as well, how to create it, and now we have another update as well from Shadcn. So previously they didn't have Luma. Let me just go through all of them. So these are different styles. If I click on any of it, you can lock as well, but Vega, Nova, Maya, Lyra, Mira, and Luma. So this is completely new look. If you probably something like Vega but more rounded, but others are different. Something like Maya and Vega as well. Okay, so you can see these cards with these buttons. So usually these are not the buttons with any of the other, we have these standard buttons and these standard toggle buttons, but this is macOS inspired with buttons or toggles more, pressed. But this looks good because I've been using macOS Tahoe for a month or two, maybe when it was released. Then we have different. So right now we are creating a design system for your app, right? You can choose the style. Now you will choose the base color. So what's your base color? While you are creating your design system for your app, you can toggle between dark mode and light mode as well, just to see how your app will look like in light mode versus dark, right? So we can change different. This looks good, but we can change between different colors. Okay, and then we can change the chart colors as well, however we want. Then we can use different fonts. So Inter, Fig Tree, Roboto, Railway is good one, but mostly I think for design, not for creating web UI. Manrope is also similar to Inter, which I like. Instrument is good. I am using it in one of my SaaS projects, Instrument Sans. And then we have Fairplay, which is more like of a design related font, not web related, but still you can use whatever you want. And this is for heading versus we can switch between JS and Inter. So now you can have different icon libraries, Remix, first 4 icons, huge icons, and Tabular and Lucid. I think Lucid has much bigger range. So I'm just selecting Lucid, and then we have radius. So you can have large radius, medium, small, or none. And this is for your whole design system. Okay, so menu inverted, solid, translucent, menu accent, subtle, bold, and this is creating a preset, right? And I've copied this preset, and now we'll go to docs. That's how you can create a new project. Sorry, use the preset. Okay, so if you want to switch a preset, you can use this command npm pnpm dlx Shadcn at the latest init preset. So when you're working on a new app, it can take a few tries to find something you like. So we've made switching presets really easy. Run init preset in your app, and then the CLI will take care of refiguring everything, including your components. Okay, so you can use this to switch your presets. So I've told you how you can create a new project, and if you have a project already working for your app, you can choose another preset and then use this command to switch presets. And if you want to find anything, you can just search through the documentation or search on Google. But still, you have so much to play around and so much to create really cool looking UI dashboards and UI interfaces for your app. So keep building, and I hope this video was helpful. See you.